Hey everybody, welcome back to week 2 of Kids Cook 2021. I hope you enjoyed last week with the apple nachos, and I hope you've already tried to make them yourself. This week's recipe is gonna blow your mind. We are doing cookie dough balls made with chickpeas, otherwise known as garbanzo beans. They are so good, I'm even blown away. They're cookie dough balls made of garbanzo beans, maple syrup, a little bit of vanilla extract, some chocolate chips, some peanut butter or a nut butter that you're not allergic to, and we use some oat flour. So let me show you how they came out. They are so good, they taste just like cookie dough. They're just little balls that you stick into the freezer, and then you pull them out, and it's just like eating cookie dough, except it's packed with protein. So let's get started. So this recipe calls for 1 can of low sodium garbanzo beans. Always try to look for the low sodium ones. With your 1 can of garbanzo beans, you want to make sure you rinse them really well to get all of the different tastes of the garbanzo beans off of them, because when you rinse them really good, it kind of takes the taste away. Then we're going to use a 1/3 cup of peanut butter, or any nut butter you're not allergic to. Then we're going to use a 1/4 cup of oat flour. People wonder, what is oat flour? All it is oatmeal. You can take oats and you can blend them and make them into a flour, and that's all it is. So it's oat flour, and then we're going to use 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then we're going to use 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So let's get started. I'm using a food processor, and we're going to blend these garbanzo beans into this food processor right here. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you could probably use your hands and make it just as good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this mixing, and all I did was put in my 1 can of low sodium garbanzo beans, otherwise known as chickpeas. Stop it one time, and you want to go in there with a rubber spatula and push everything off the sides and get it back into the blade again, because we're going to do it one more time, just to make sure we mix it good. Now that we've got our garbanzo beans mixed all the way through, they kind of look like a powder. That's how mixed they are, and that's what they come out looking like after you blend them. So this is garbanzo beans, and we're going to dump these right here into our mixing bowl. So I'm going to put my 1 can of low sodium garbanzo beans right into this mixing bowl. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add my peanut butter right here. Now, if you have a peanut allergy in your home, I wouldn't recommend ever using peanut butter if there's an allergy in the home that you live in. Not a great idea. Now I'm going to add in my oat flour. The oat flour calls for 1/4 cup. And if you don't have oat flour, you just take oatmeal and blend it together and make it into a flour. It's that simple. Now we're going to use some chocolate chips. Now you don't have to use chocolate chips, but I'm just going to use a little bit of them. And then I'm going to save some for a garnish. Now we're going to use 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last but not least is the 1/4 cup of maple syrup, which pulls this recipe together. You also want to put just a little dash of salt. And that's the whole recipe. So now I'm going to mix it really good. And while you're mixing it, you'll see it's turning into a cookie dough mixture. It really is. It's turning into a full-fledged cookie dough mixture. So now we've got it into a mixture. And what I'm going to do is use this little cookie. It shows you how to make a ball out of a cookie. You just take it and you put it like this in your hand, and then you can put it onto a baking pan, which I've lined with parchment paper. And you'll see how I'm doing this here. I've got my little baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm putting my balls right on top. And then you can garnish it with a chocolate chip, just like that. After we make this pan of cookie dough balls, then they're going to go in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And that's going to make them nice and stiff, so they feel just like cookie dough. And I'm going to tell you right now, I know you haven't had these yet, but when you make these, you are not going to believe how good they are. I was blown away. They taste just like cookie dough. You can't even taste the garbanzo beans, which garbanzo beans are amazing, packed with fiber and protein and folate. Folate is B9, which is very important in basically regrowing our cells in our body. Very important to have B9, and this is packed with it. You've got protein, you've got fiber. Chickpeas are just so good for you. So I made about 5 of these balls, which you can keep on going and make as many as you like. But this is what they look like before they go in the freezer. Just like this. And then when they come out of the freezer, they look just like this. Nice and hard, and they are so good. You are not gonna believe how good these taste. So, this was week 2 of Kids Cook 2021, and yes, we made chickpea cookie dough balls. Can't wait to see you next week. See you soon, and I hope you can make this yourself. It's so simple, and some of these ingredients you might have right in your house right now. So I'll see you next week. Thank you so much.